No, why so dull? You all had breakfast, right? Good morning. Thank you. So my name is Raman Kumara, and I know all of you are doing the same thing. Why this guy is standing on the stage in a tracksuit? Is he again going to do the same thing? The fitness stuff. But believe me guys, I've got something new for you. Just take a look. It will get connected to it automatically. And if you do not, don't worry, I'll connect. So we'll proceed with the first slide. About marathon, the dream run. Most of you have heard about it, but some of you might have participated, or some of you might have been to a marathon. So I'll tell you what I'll do is I'll just brief you about the simple history of marathon, because I like to keep it simple. I do not make things complex. So don't worry, there are no facts and figures over there. Just a little bit of GK I would say about marathon. So we'll proceed with the next slide. Alright, the word marathon. The word marathon was coined to acknowledge a Greek messenger. His name is written over there in orange. His name was Phidippides. Hello. His name was Phidippides. What this guy did was, he was a tremendous guy. What happened, I'll have to go back in 490 BC I guess, that year. There was a battle of Marathon in the city of Marathon, which is in Greece. And now, currently also, it is there. So what happened was, there was a war between Athens and Persia. Persia lost the war. Persia lost, and what Athens did, they sent a messenger to their town hall to inform the senators of Athens about the victory. And they sent this guy. This guy ran for around 1.5 days, and he ran 250 kilometers without a stop in one go. Can you believe it? In one go he ran 250 kilometers, and that's the only reason to acknowledge him as a tribute to him. The name marathon is being given to running events. Now we'll proceed with the next slide. As you can see, the painting, it's Luke Olivier Mercian's painting. Forget about the name. The name doesn't matter. The painting well described that this guy is Phidippides. It's a real painting of this guy, Luke Olivier. It describes that he, as soon as he informed the senators, that guy already was happy, and that guy started thanking God. And the other guy over there, he started celebrating. So this is the painting that proved that the marathon name was given after him. Okay. Here comes the cookie. Why run a marathon? Until and unless you have a screw dealer, why would you run a marathon? And it is a necessity. Trust me. I have ran. For running a marathon, you have to have a screw dealer. So there are many reasons that are valid for running a marathon, but I can't explain all of them because I only have 10 minutes. So I have just jotted down the main topics, the main points. So I'll explain them to you very quickly. To eliminate I can't from your dictionary. From your dictionary. See that every time you face a challenge, you look at the dictionary. Oh sorry, pardon me. You look at yourself and say, I can't. But even in once in a lifetime, if you run a marathon, you are going to delete I can't from your dictionary. Believe me guys, this is true. This is my personal experience. Because the amount of pain, the amount of willpower, the amount of determination it takes, the confidence you get after finishing the marathon is tremendous. It cannot be explained with words. Trust me guys. Next point. Next point please. join the elite club of marathoners. See, right, our India's population is around 121 crores, right? So if we, let's just take out the 21 crores from the 121 crores. 100 crore people are left. And in a single marathon event, not more than 50,000 people can run. Alright? So just imagine the feeling you get when you are one among those 50,000 people. Out of the 100 crore people, you are among the 50,000 people who can run a marathon. The feeling you get is tremendous. Next point. For the medal on the wall that reminds you of how tough you are. You are facing a very bad phase of your life. You're not having a good time. You look at that medal on the wall. It reminds you of the problems that you face while training for the marathon and gives you strength. It does. So for that medal, you have to earn it. Whichever medal you want, you have to earn it. Next point. For discovering the new you. I would say you're born again. Because you don't actually realize your potential until and unless you stretch your limits. Marathon allows you to stretch your limits, to go beyond the horizon, so that you can discover the new you. As simple as that. Plain and simple. Next point. For inspiring people, like, I remember, you are among those 50,000 people who can run a marathon out of the 100 crore people. The percentage is in points. It's not even 0.25, I guess. It's less than that. Next point. Raise money and awareness for charity. Everybody likes to do charity, right? Guys, at least reply. Everybody likes to do charity, right? Yes. And if you can't do it by enjoying, even by running, what's wrong with it? Ek tir do nisane. There's nothing wrong. You raise funds for people. There are crores of funds raised for people by the marathon events that are organized around the country. Next point. This is the last point and the most important. You should run a marathon because what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. You'll be a stronger person, you'll be a better person. Take my words. If once you run a marathon in your life, the next time nobody will come and ask you to run it. You will by yourself go and run the marathon. So I've explained why I run a marathon. I will proceed to the next slide. There are many types of marathons, but these are the most famous and the most popular formats of marathons that are on the slide right now. I'll just go through them. Ultra marathon is of 100 kilometers, the king of all marathons. The people in this group are super motivated. You can't imagine the amount of energy they have. The next, full marathon, which is 42 kilometers approx. See, I said I like to keep it simple. It is actually 42.0195. But who remembers 0195? Why not 42? That's the point. And the next is half marathon, 21 kilometers. World 10K. This is for those who want to run a marathon for like promoting something, promoting our college. Even we can plan a marathon of 10K. I'll train you all, then we'll go for promoting our college.
9 minutes ago, I don't have a barrier.
Okay. Okay, sir. And then the dream run, 7 kilometers. Next. These are the most popular marathons. There are 3 most popular marathons. Standard Chartered Mumbai Marathon. It will be held in January next year. It's 11th edition. It mainly has full marathon and half marathon as a format. Next. Airtel Delhi Half Marathon, you can see it over here. That's the Delhi Half Marathon. It has only a major format is the half marathon, and there are team runs and other disabled people marathons also. TCS World 10K for the techies out there who don't have much time So train for a marathon so that they can just participate for a 10K marathon, which is in Bangalore every year. This year it will conduct its 7th edition. Next point. Who is a marathoner?
It's the second one. Okay.
So guys, imagine a marathoner in your eyes. You would not be like this, right? Like this. Even if he runs the whole marathon like this, by the end of it, he will be like this. Next slide. This is what happens if you run like that. But what I want to show is what is a true marathoner. Next. Major DP Singh, the Blade Runner of India. He has lost his one leg in Kargil. But he didn't give up. I have ran with him. He was just 100 meters away from me. And he is such a tremendous personality. He was running faster than me and his timing is better than me. Next point. And with due respect, Fauji Singh ji, he is the greatest man I have ever seen in the marathon history. He is 92 years old and he's completed the London Marathon in 6 hours and 2 minutes. That's a world record. Guys, please clap for him. Alright, next slide. Guys, that's me. Alright, thank you. Any questions, guys? I'll be happy to answer. Anybody wants to play with me?
You said in when the war in which Philippines ran.
Yes, sir.
What was the? You said he ran 250 kilometers.
Yes, sir. 150 miles, I guess.
You guess?
No,
You don't know how to convert miles into kilometers.
Sir, I have both.
Tell me how many kilometers equal to 1 mile.
Sir, I don't really know.
Huh?
Sorry.
This is terrible. The question is not you have to ask him. अपना तुम्हारा turn आएगा तो बताना. If what is the distance? Where did the war take place? In which place?
Sir, in a marathon.
Okay.
Greece.
And where this man who ran Philippines, he ran from marathon to where?
To Sparta.
What is that distance?
250 kilometers.
No, it is 26.5 miles. The marathon is run 26.5 miles because the distance from marathon to Sparta is 26.5 miles. That's the length of the marathon. It is not 250 kilometers.
Sir, I may be wrong. I read it all.
You are definitely wrong.
Sir, I read it all. I am truly telling you.
Look,
I am wrong.
please
Yeah.
understand this. Wikipedia is not God.
Exactly.
You people, you have outsourced your brain to Google. दिमाग में कुछ नहीं रखते. मोबाइल फोन आ गया साला, ऐप व्हाट्सएप आ गया. Keep your brain entry, keep all the data online. It is not a पत्थर की लकीर. As I was taught in school, it is 26.5 miles. Go to Google Earth. You will see marathon on the map. Take a scale, measure it and say it is 250 kilometers. I'll give you 250 rupees. If it is not 250, you give me 250. Okay?
Sure, sir. Sure.
Put your money where your mouth is.
I agree with your fact, sir. It is 26 miles. I have read both, but due to the relevance of Wikipedia, I took the data of Wikipedia. I read both. I did complete research, sir.
What is that green thing you have in your hand?
It's a water bottle.
Marathon people, do they carry water with them?
So sometimes they need
No,
to.
nobody does.
Sir, I
अरे बेवकूफ उससे वजन बढ़ता है. Every gram extra you carry increases your effort. That will be 1 kilo, 1 liter of water is 1 kilo. That means you are carrying 1 kilo of extra weight for no reason. That is stupid. No marathon runner, even Fauja Singh he ran the Toronto marathon, which is another record. He is already more than 100 years old. He is still alive.
Yes, sir. The water is available with the runners, but for the use of object, I took it. Any questions, guys? Sure.
Any other questions? Your feedback.
Okay.
Statement topic 10, homework 8, quality 7, effectiveness 6, suitability 7, opening 0, curiosity 2, confidence 10, conviction 10, panache 0, delivery 8, stage presence 7, communication 10, holding attention 8, slides 10, other backup 6, overall organization material 8, overall impact 6, keeping time 10, filling questions 5. Your total is 138 plus 5 for today, which is 143. Qualitative feedback. In marathon, nobody runs in full pants. They wear chatti.
Yes, sir.
That number should have been behind you, not in front of you.
No, sir. They asked us
Either
to-
both sides or पीछे तो होना ही चाहिए.
No, sir. It is on the front. It is written behind this. I'll come and show you. It is written. You have to wear it on the chest or on the tummy.
Okay. Yeah, okay. That's all. Except that I don't agree with carrying that bottle.
No, sir.
Not
I
required.
not carry next time.
That's all. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.